In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Elementor website. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll be able to place a video on any page of your site and customize how it behaves for your visitors. First, open the page where you want the video to appear using the Elementor editor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to your pages list, hover over the page you want to edit, and choose Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor interface, where you can see your live page preview in the center and the Elementor panel on the left. Next, decide where on the page you want to place the video. You can add it into an existing section or create a new section if you'd like the video to stand alone. Once you've clicked into the area where you want the video, look toward the top right of the editor area to access your widgets. Open the widget panel if it isn't already visible, and then scroll or use the search bar to look for the video widget. Click and drag the video widget into the section or column where you want it. As soon as you drop it into place, you'll see the video settings appear in the left sidebar. Here, you'll choose the source of your video. Elementor lets you embed from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress, or use a self-hosted video file. Select the source that matches where your video is hosted. For example, if it's on YouTube, choose YouTube, then paste the video URL into the provided field. If you're using a self-hosted video, select that option and upload or choose the file from your media library. Give it a moment to load. Once Elementor processes it, you'll see a live preview of your video directly on the page. Now, fine-tune how the video behaves. In the settings, you can set a specific start and end time if you don't want the full video to play. You can enable or disable autoplay, decide whether it should play on mobile devices, and choose whether the video should loop when it finishes. Take your time to adjust these options so they match the experience you want your visitors to have. When everything looks good in the preview and you're satisfied with the settings, go to the bottom of the Elementor panel and click Update or Save, depending on whether the page is already published. This will save all your changes and make the video live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Elementor website and customized its behavior for your audience.